Hello guys, welcome to the Skill Trend Coding channel. Today we are going to learn whether the input given by the user is a alphabet or not. This coding today we are doing the coding in Java language. If you want coding in other languages, there is the link in the description. Please go through that. Let me start the program. For we can do this check this input by two methods, that is one by using the ASCII values and by using the alphabets. The ASCII values for capital A to capital Z are capital A to capital Z are from 65 to 90, and for small a to Z are from 97 to 122. Okay, let me write a program or code to check that given input is a alphabet or not. Initially we shall ask the user to enter the input from the console, that is system.out.println of enter the character. Enter the character. Okay, we shall take the input from the console. Scanner sc equals to new scanner of system.in. Okay, now we shall assign this input, that is we shall assign this input to the character variable ch, or we shall take the input and assign this to the character variable sc dot next of dot once again char at of 0 we shall take at each individual character. And now we shall write the if statement to check the conditions, that is ch is greater than equals to, if it is greater than equals to 65 and ch is less than equals to 90, then these will get these are the ASCII values of capital A to Z alphabets. If the condition, this is the one of the condition to check, that is for capital values, that is capital letters. Now we shall write another condition for small letters. If it is greater than equals to 97 and if ch is less than equals to 122, then if this condition is true, then that is for giving the input in the capital alphabets, then this condition will gets true, then it executes this loop. If this condition is true, then it executes this condition. That is what you are writing the code inside this if condition. That is what we need to print. If this condition is true, we need to print that system.out.println of character is a alphabet. If this condition is false, we need to write a else statement, that is, let me just copy this and just edit this. Yeah, is not a alphabet. Okay, we are done with the code. Let us check the output, what we are getting. Yeah, let me run this program. See, enter the character. Let me give as small a and check a is a alphabet. Yeah, this is the correct. Let me give another value, like let me give at the rate of symbol, and let me check. See, at the rate is not a alphabet. Okay, let me give as a capital A or capital J, and let me check J is a alphabet. Okay, it is done. This is one method to check that input is a character or not. Let me do by alphabets, that is by using this A to Z or small a to small z, capital A to capital Z. Just remove this ASCII and ASCII values, that is 65, and let me give to capital A. Here I will give as capital Z. Here I shall give small a and small z. And let me run this code now. We can check now also we will be getting the same, that is small a Yeah, A is the alphabet. Okay, now I'll give capital K. Yeah, K is the alphabet. Okay, let me give as now 5. 5 is a number, right? We should get character is not a alphabet. Yeah, 5 is not a alphabet. This is how to write a program, that is to check the input is a alphabet or not. For this is written in Java. If you people want to know in other languages, you can see link in the description. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.